For them to change their environment from a security awareness perspective means that you've done an internal test, that you know how their people are working and what they're doing. Maybe you've done a password audit, or if they're been sending credit card numbers and email or things like that. So these kinds of audits, in which case you can actually address it in those terms of what they're doing. So for example, why are they sending credit card numbers over email? Well, because they're still using email, because that's still the most convenient thing for them. And again, why is it? Like, why isn't internally there a way for them to pass credit card numbers that have nothing to do with email? Email should be just another way that people from the outside of your organization connect with you. I mean, there's so many communication possibilities today that are so much more secure. Another thing that could be distractions, depending on where they're sitting, how they're working. I know there's a lot more work from home, but actually, once people started working from home, security got better, not worse. You had less humans distracted, less humans interacting in a bad way. They were technologically controlled on how they entered and how they interacted. Somebody's going to argue and be like, well, you had laptops that could get stolen, and now you had private data on people's systems, and those had to be wiped. And you always had that. That was always an issue. That's not new.
100%.
And of course, that's a problem to be solved. If they have to carry their presentations on their laptops and you don't have a way of securing that for them, or you don't have a way for them to have it securely in a location that they can access when they get to the client. And again, especially now with AI, these solutions exist.